We need to have innovative ideas to be able to make transformative therapies for patients. To me, innovation requires an open mind and a constant challenging of current paradigm. And delivery of innovation requires action based on those innovative ideas. My name is Andy Chan. I am presently the Senior Vice President of Research Biology at Genentech in South San Francisco. I was born in Hong Kong. My family immigrated here when I was 7 years old. I had the privilege of going to UCSF, where I obtained both my clinical and my research fellowship training in rheumatology and in immunology. I've been at Genentech for quite a while. I started in 2001. The privilege of being at Genentech is that every day I have to think about how our science is going to innovate to make better therapies for patients. We collaborate with many academic groups all over the world who have phenomenally interesting new observations or new technologies. At UCSF, we've had a long-standing collaboration with Steve Hauser, one of the world-leading neurobiologists, starting with anti-CD20 antibodies for the treatment of multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis is a chronic neurodegenerative disease in which the immune system becomes hyperactive and destroys the neurons that are in the brain and the spinal cord. And over time, these events then cause patients to become more and more disabled. The paradigm in the field for multiple sclerosis 15 years ago was that multiple sclerosis is a T-cell mediated disease, which it is. But after reviewing the data from our multiple sclerosis trials, it dawned on me that the model was not totally accurate. That in fact, targeting B cells would actually have a profound effect on the ability for us to be able to improve patients' lives. When we realized the importance of B cells in a number of different autoimmune inflammatory diseases, we at Genentech designed a humanized monoclonal antibody, in this case called Ocrevus, for the treatment of chronic inflammatory diseases. And right now, treatment of patients with multiple sclerosis with Ocrevus results in significant improvement in their clinical outcomes. When patients come to campus and tell us the true impact on their daily activities and what they can do today that they could not do a year ago, that really brings home the mission that we focus on every day. While we've made tremendous advances, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done. And we are working with many institutions, including UCSF, to identify new therapies by which we can not only treat patients, but cure patients and restore the neurologic function. So UCSF's mission was very, very critical to my success in my career. UCSF brought to me phenomenal clinical training, very rigorous research scientific training, and recognizing the importance of mentorship in training our next generation of physicians, scientists, and researchers.